Hey guys, JB here. Excited you're with me today. Today we got an unboxing, which you know I love these. We're unboxing the RoWrite 2. So let's get into it. As you know, this is more of a community than a channel, and I'd love to hear your comments down below. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this device. This was sent to me. I'm not getting paid to review this. I've had no compensation. They're not reviewing this before I review it. Basically, it was sent to me to use to get a look at it. And it's interesting to me because this RoWrite 2 fits, I think, in between the Rocketbook and the Remarkable 2 and E tablets, the Onyx, the Supernote, the paper, for somebody that's looking for a paper experience but wants digital note-taking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it today, then I'm gonna use it for a little while and come back and do a full review. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna put the Royale company's video of how this thing works if you wanna stay tuned for a 3-minute video to look at a little bit more of the technical aspects of it. But let's get into it. I've never heard of this company. Real unique device. The packaging is great. I think the pricing right now on Amazon, you can get this for under $100. And that's why I said it kind of fits right between the Rocketbook and the other devices, because it's right at that price point that a student could utilize. I will tell you that you got to buy notebooks for it, but still the pricing is in pretty much alignment. So let's open it up. Comes in a nice box with all of the to-do stuff on it. You can see on the back there what it looks like. You kind of see what you're supposed to do with it. But let's see the quality of this thing. So when I open it up, the box is nice and tight. It's got a nice, for a $100 product, that's a pretty good presentation. Nice box. Okay, it comes out. I like this. It's a leatherish, little bit of branding here, a Royale. And basically the way this works, these books you take out, so there's a couple in here, okay? So there's an extra book. Okay, and these books are what you're writing on, and then it knows you're writing on it because the back of this, I believe, or the pen, actually is what is working with the computer in the app. And again, if you watch the video at the end of this video, I'm going to put it on here, you're going to see how it works and syncs, and then we're going to do some work together with that. So let's look at it. So here's the pen. Let's see what we got in here. So in here we have, first of all, let's take a look. We got some connectors. Again, for less than $100, this is pretty cool. This is probably a USB-C, and you know me, I'm a nerd, I like this stuff. USB to USB-C, so that's a good sign. And here we've got another box of goodies, and these goodies are, okay, pen, and you can see they're actually pen nibs. That's interesting, I've never seen that, like they're pen nibs. We've got some documentation, some nice books here. It looks English, different languages. So yes, there's a lot in here. So I can learn more about that. We'll put these pen nibs here. And then here is a pen. Okay, that comes out. Okay, it's not too bad. It feels okay. That's kind of cool. It's got the clicky little pen cap. Uh-oh, I could get used to that. That's magnetic. That's pretty cool. So this charges. There's something on it here that I can't read. But it's something about the charge, and you got to charge this up, obviously. I don't know if it charges. I got to look at the directions, but it goes right here. And I know there's an indicator light on the device right here from what I've seen so far. So there's some stuff. So I've got to charge this up, and then this goes in there, and then you just open this up. You open up your notebook, and you write in here. Now this has got like the dotted paper, which is very similar to a lot of other journals, and this has dotted paper also. So I think you can get lined. I got to look into that, but it's the RoWrite 2, and then this cap. There's a cap. I'm just seeing what. Oh, okay. This is magnetic, so it's kind of cool. So you can actually take the pin out and leave the cap in there. I do believe it charges. Where is the USB? Yes, so it does charge here at the bottom. So basically, the pin fits in here, and then it charges like this. Oh, wow. It actually will pull it to the particular position, which is good, and it says RoWrite. And so then that's going to charge. Then you have this neat little folder that you carry, and it's the same size as a Remarkable 2, as you can see. And basically then, when you're out, or the Supernote, let's see, the Supernote's here too. Let's compare it to the Supernote A5. Exactly the same size as that. So when you're out, if you're a student, basically you would probably carry a notebook for each class. And I'll put down below a link to these. And then you have the pen. And so you would get into class and basically you take the pen out. And I'm going to write on, you know what, I'm one of those that just doesn't like to write on the notebooks right away. But let me see, do I got a piece of paper around here? Yes. Let me grab this piece of paper. Let's write on the back of this because I don't want to write on that yet. I want to see. No. Pen's not bad. Okay, so the pen's not bad. So basically what's going to happen then, as you're writing in this notebook, it is sending it to the app real time, or you can write in here and send it to the app later. There's a ton of stuff you can do in the app. And again, in the video I'm going to show you, I'm going to do that. I'm going to play with it and figure it out. I got to go charge this sucker up and get it ready to go. But overall, this is kind of a cool little thing. So then let's see how these work. I think you just pull them out. That change the notebook out. Yeah, they just pull out. So they're pretty typical. It's just stuck in here. So you just pull that notebook out and you would just replace it. So it could be a little tough if you're a student. I think once you wear it out, you know, you can get the notebooks in and out of here. But you just put the notebook in and then you've got a paper copy. And again, I'm going to utilize it and see how it works. But then you got a paper copy and then you would have additional notebooks. So this is kind of an in-between device of, like I said, where you have a Remarkable or Supernote or a paper where you keep everything and you have this. And of course, you're going to spend a lot more money. Or you go with something like this, which is a real unique feel, which is more like obviously a real paper experience, but you have to utilize this pen. And I think it feels okay. It's comfortable. Like I said, I keep trying to stick this on the back. There's probably a way to hold it. I've got to figure that out. But it feels okay. I wonder if you could change the color of the pen tip. But we're going to find out a lot more about this RoWrite. This is an interesting device. We've got the nibs here. We've got, you know, at least it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inks, so you can change those inks out, you know, as you run out of ink. But what do you think down below? Is this a device that interests you? You know, again, I'm going to get into it. Is this something that you would utilize? Some of you that like paper, maybe who's this good for a student, right? Instead of carrying the Remarkable, they could carry this and change out their notebooks and have, you know, 4 different notebooks for each of their classes. I kind of think it's a groovy thing. It's kind of cool. I think it's something that you could utilize. It's something that is different. And like I said, the price point is pretty accessible at less than $100 compared to a lot of the e-ink devices. So the Royale RoWrite 2, we're going to get into it. So what I got is the video for from there for 3 minutes here, so you can watch a little bit more about it. And again, this is a community, and that's what we're doing here. So I'd love to hear in your comments, have you ever heard of this Royale RoWrite? What do you think about it? What would you like for me to test on it? Is it something that interests you or not? And then I'm going to use it for a little while in a day-to-day basis. I'm one of those that, you know, I got OCD, so I hate to write in a notebook before I'm ready to use it. I'll actually rip the page out because I'm like, oh, I ruined the notebook already. But I will test all the functionality. We'll see how the app works, and the app works with the computer. And anything you would like to know, let me know. By the way, if you like this video, if you don't mind hitting the thumbs up, the like button, it helps us with the algorithm. And then the subscribe is always great. I hope you're having a great day. Seriously, I hope it's going great for you. As always, I appreciate you supporting the channel. More coming from this. What would you like to see? Let me know in the comments as we try this thing out. And did you even know about this? All right, until the next video, thanks for watching. We're going to break right into their company video so you can see more on this. And then I'll see you in the next video here the next couple days. So thanks for watching. Enjoy this Royale promo video so you know exactly what this thing does.